Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about the market itself and make my daily commentary about it. Well, Trump just backed off and American market just bounced back from its very important support level. And the markets, if it's going to be end the day through here, and if we are going to see a green candle tomorrow, this is an ultimate buy signal for the American market. Well, I told you a lot of times. I told you about do not be panicked. Maybe something's going to be changed. Maybe Trump will be back off. Maybe something will be. But do not be panic sell through here because maybe we are in the very near side of the dip point. Seems like we are just experience dip. The Trump could be do another thing what he was going to say, but the thing going to be happen is American market is not going down. And also within all the tensions, within the war, the other stuff, a lot of things happened in the world in a couple of months, and American market just only is 5% down from its all-time high. So the American market will be anti-rally with the AI rally. People know this, and people are not selling their assets at the moment. Don't be panicked. America is going to be the future of the AI. It's the locomotive of the AI. Just do not be fearful. Just be patient. If you can tolerate the losses, do not look at your portfolio. With the gold, situation in the gold is not good. Why? Because I told you a lot of times in my videos, these technical indicators are not good. Gold is gonna go down catastrophically. If it's going to be break this 4,650 level, it's going to be go downside very rapidly and could be hit 4,306. I told you a lot of times. If you want, you can look my prior videos. I said that like hundreds of times. So it did happen. It was go down like 8.5 in the middle of the Asian season and the Europe season. I will say you this. For the gold, maybe for the short term, the worst case scenario has been ended, and I'm expecting a bounce back from here. I think it will go through like 4,600 levels and then the 4,900 levels, and I think it will be searched through these levels. I don't think it will be hit and break the all-time high for a couple of years. I mean years. But this is a good point for the technical rebounds level. This is a good point. With the silver, the same thing. It followed to gold and it made a more way up because silver has been sold off really much before today's incident. Within that, the silver is rebounding very well. Bitcoin, this is the important stuff in the Bitcoin is here. I can say this. In this market, when all things are going down, the American market was going down like 2%, the gold was going down like 8%, silver is like, I think like it was 6 or 7 or something like that. It was go down like that percent, but the Bitcoin was in the upside like 1%. So that means Bitcoin is holding strong within a lot of things happening in the world. When the war just started, it was at the $67,000 level. Within the war started, as you can see through here, it was in the 27, it was in the 65,000 levels. War started, it was go back to the 63, but it did not go back through that level. So we are bullish about the Bitcoin, and I think we just yet experienced a dip in the Bitcoin. It was $59,000. Well, this is a good thing, by the way. If the markets will be go up, if the markets and American market will be hit and break the $7,000, I think Bitcoin will be going to break this trend line through here. If it's not going to be happen, I think the Bitcoin will be eventually hit this downside trend line. Usually does that, and I think it's going to be happen through there. So the second thing is going to be the Ethereum. By the way, these indicators are buy signal for the Bitcoin, I'm going to say, and I'm going to say that all the things in the cryptos, they are all buy signals at the moment, all buy. The Ethereum is more holding good and it's following the Bitcoin. Whenever the Bitcoin goes its way, Ethereum and XRP and all altcoins are following Bitcoin, but Ethereum has a more potential for the go side up level. But not the thing in the XRP, as you can see through here, the technical indicators, it's stuck in the Kaufman moving average. Situation in XRP not good. Maybe pump going to be happen through here. If it's going to be hit the Kaufman level, it's maybe they can pump it very well. But at the moment, I do not suggest XRP. This is your common of sense, and I cannot say anything. I'm not holding XRP, by the way. I'm holding Bitcoin, Monero, AVAX and Fetch.ai. But the technical indicators in the XRP is not good for the movement. The XMR is more holding good. It was go down from the Kaufman moving average, going up, going down. If it's going to end stay through here, I think it will be go and break the super trend, and it's made its indicator light for green to buy. So this is good, but we need to wait for the Monero to be certain at the moment. It's not going to be a fully buy signal at the moment because the market cap of the Monero is very much compared to other altcoins, and the money have to be get out from the Bitcoin and Ethereum and have to be inflow through the Monero. And there is a regulations risk in the Monero, but I think they will get through there in the later on times, not right now. Fed's good. Within all the war stuff, it pumped up really good, and 56%, it's good. Why am I optimistic about the Fed? Because I'm waiting an AI rally in America, and within that the AI rally happened. This is the biggest cryptocurrency of the AI in the listing in the lot of stock exchanges like Binance, MEXC, Bybit, Kraken, other stuff, and it is listing through here. I believe this coin will be pump up within the AI rally occurring in the American market. With the AVAX is technically is good. It go below this Fibonacci level, yet rebounds. Well, this is a bit early to be talk about it at the moment, but in the 4-hour chart it break it, and we are in the buy signal for the AVAX, and I like the view of the AVAX. Also, if we look at the weekly, we are in the bottom side in the AVAX, also very extreme sell moment, and there's a sign of a return through here, a little bit positive divergence in the RSI, so maybe a good time for the buy. So, thank you for watching my video. See you.